Hello everyone! Get ready for something awesome today. I'm showing you the new Boxing Star mod that's going to change how you play. Stick around until the end because you don't want to miss this. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button to join the crew. This mod works on all Android and iOS devices and comes with a slick mod menu. Just tap the gear icon in-game and the menu pops up. The star feature? You can max out your gold instantly. Plus, there are other cool tweaks to make Boxing Star even better. To get this mod running, make sure you have the latest version of Boxing Star installed. I've got a pinned comment below where I explain exactly where you can get this Boxing Star mod. Check it out to set everything up. Thanks for watching. If this mod works for you, drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And one last time, head to the pinned comment to find out how to get this mod. See you next time.